So welcome student. So in this question you're given that sigma r is equal to 1 to n r cube minus sigma p is equal to 1 to n m is equal to 1 to p r is equal to 1 to m1 is equal to 80. And what is the possible values of n? So how do we solve this? This expression is very straightforward. This is sigma r cube, that is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So this is very straightforward. Let's try to simplify this. So this is nothing but sigma p is equal to 1 to n, sigma m is equal to 1 to p. So what is sigma r is equal to 1 to m? M. Sigma r is equal to 1 to m. 1 is nothing but m. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus so on up to m times is m. That is equal to sigma p is equal to 1 to n. What is m is equal to 1 to p? M. What is sigma m as m goes from 1 to p? It is p into p plus 1 by 2. That is equal to sigma 1 by 2 is a constant which goes outside. P is equal to 1 to n p square plus p. That is equal to half of what is sigma p square as p goes from 1 to n. As p goes from 1 to n, sigma p square is nothing but n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus what is sigma p as p goes from 1 to n into n plus 1 by 2, n into n plus 1 by 2. That is equal to n into n plus 1 is common in both of them. So 1 by 2 is already there, n into n plus 1 by 6 if you take by 6 as common. So you have 2n plus 1 here plus n into n plus 1 by 2. I have taken 6 as common, so you have to add a 3. So that is equal to, so this is 2n plus 4. If you take a 2 common, this will become n plus 2. So n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 6. This 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So this is my summation. And what is this? This is nothing but n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. This is a very standard formula. So this difference has to be equal to 80. So what happens if you subtract this term from this term? So as you can see, n into n plus 1 is a common thing. So n into n plus 1 by 12, if you take n into n plus 1 by 12 as common. So what is left here? So 3 times n into n plus 1 is left here minus n into n plus 1 by 12 if you take common, 2 times n plus 2. 2 times n plus 2. So that is equal to n into n plus 1 by 12 times, so you have 3n square plus 3n minus 2n is plus n minus 4. So this is the final expression of this difference, and this is given as 80. So is there some way in which you can factorize this also? So as you can see, this is equal to n into n plus 1 by 12 times. So this is, you can factorize this as plus 4n minus 3n. So this can be written as 3n plus 4 times n minus 1. So 3n square plus n minus 4. So this has to be equal to 80. So now let us try to solve this equation. This has to be equal to 80. So let us try to solve this equation. So you have n minus 1 into n times n plus 1 times 3n plus 4 is equal to 12 into 80. So obviously this is a 4th degree equation. You are not expected to solve it directly. So we have 4 options. Just need to check which of these options satisfy this equation. So let us try with 3. So if n is equal to 3, this becomes 2 into 3 into 4 into 3 into 3, 9 plus 4 is 13. So obviously this is not the right answer because 13 is not a factor of 12 or 80. And if you put n is equal to 4, you have 3 into 4 into 5 into 12 plus 4 is 16. So you can clearly see that 3 into 4 is 12, 5 into 16 is 80. So this will be exactly equal to 12 into 80. Hence 4 is the right option to this question. Thank you.